remedies for psoriasis. Psoriasis, sore-EYE-ah-sis, is an irritating and chronic skin disease which develops when the body's immune system goes haywire and sends incorrect signals to the skin cells, triggering them to multiply swiftly. Here are the top 10 home remedies for psoriasis. 1. Colloidal oatmeal. Colloidal oatmeal refers to oats that have been finely ground and then suspended in any liquid like water, gel, etc. While in the liquid medium, the oatmeal remains suspended and dispersed uniformly. The advantage of colloidal oatmeal is that it can be easily applied and quickly absorbed. Thus, it is very beneficial for skin disorders like dry skin, eczema, and psoriasis. 2. Apple cider vinegar. According to the National Psoriasis Foundation, apple cider vinegar, ACV, which is used as a disinfectant since ancient times, may alleviate the itchy feeling and irritation associated with psoriasis. Apple cider vinegar helps restore the natural pH balance of the skin and helps prevent infections. 3. Cayenne pepper. This hot red pepper comes with a full host of health benefits and is very handy for your psoriasis malady. Capsaicin is the main active ingredient in cayenne pepper that makes them hot. Researchers in 2010 reported that capsaicin may help reduce symptoms of inflammation, pain, redness, and scaling that are commonly seen in psoriasis. You can use capsaicin-containing cream for this. You can get it online or from your local health store. Apply capsaicin-containing cream to areas where you have psoriasis. 4. Epsom salt. An Epsom salt bath is great for skin disorders like eczema and psoriasis. Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate and has unique properties which give it medicinal value. It helps relieve itching and burning sensations and softens the scaling that occurs with psoriasis. Plus, it is good for relaxation and detoxification due to the high amount of magnesium present in it. It is unlike sea salt in the fact that it softens the skin and can be rinsed away completely. Experts say that soaking the body in Epsom salts boosts the body's magnesium levels. 5. Garlic. Garlic is another useful remedy for psoriasis due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It inhibits the activity of an enzyme called lipoxygenase that causes the inflammation associated with psoriasis. Plus, being an antimicrobial agent, it helps prevent infection. Nuclear factor kappa B, NFKB, a molecule found in the body, plays a crucial role in inflammation. The activation of this molecule has been linked with psoriasis. A study in 2004 showed that garlic derivatives ajoine, diallyl sulfide and S-allylcysteine inhibit NFKB. A 2011 study suggested that external application of garlic can be an effective remedy against psoriasis. Eating garlic could also prevent psoriasis outbreaks due to its active compounds and blood purifying property. 6. Olive oil. Olive oil is excellent for dealing with psoriasis because it softens the skin, thereby reducing flaking and scaling. Paper published in 2017 reported that the polyphenols present in extra virgin olive oil are effective in preventing and treating immune disorders like psoriasis. A study in 2003 showed that a mixture of honey, beeswax, and olive oil was effective in the management of psoriasis symptoms. 7. Turmeric. Turmeric is a wonderful condiment to stock in your kitchen cabinet. It has multi-purpose uses which are beyond the scope of this article. Since ancient times, it has been used for the treatment of skin diseases in India. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Its active compound curcumin fights inflammation and inhibits an enzyme called phosphorylase kinase that is responsible for skin cell growth. 8. Licorice. Licorice has been used in Chinese medicine for a very long time for the treatment of psoriasis. At present, it is used in the treatment of dermatitis and eczema. Studies have found that licorice root is good for skin conditions like eczema, rosacea, and psoriasis because of its compound called glycerin. Thus, it helps reduce redness and irritation. Plus, It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that reduce inflammation and benefit the skin. 9. Glycerin. Glycerin is considered great for skin as it attracts moisture and thus helps maintain beautiful and healthy skin. Researchers believe that the glycerol present in glycerin plays a role in skin maturation and allows the skin to mature properly. 10. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is an effective topical treatment for many skin problems like sunburns, damaged skin, burns, and many others. It also provides relief from the symptoms of psoriasis by treating skin irritation by soothing and rehydrating it. It forms a protective layer on the broken skin and promotes healing. Plus, it is rich in many bioactive molecules that have antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Thus it helps fight inflammation and boosts the immune system.